Want a quiet town for a fun getaway? Whitstable might be the place for you. Our journey started at London's Victoria Station. An hour and 20-minute train ride transported us to a different time and place. We arrived just in perfect time for lunch. We chose the famous Harbour Street tapas because their menu was hard to resist. The food was on point, the atmosphere was warm, relaxed, and the bill was pleasing to the eye. Definitely gave this place a 5 stars. After lunch, we decided to hit the streets, which were lined with quirky stores, local cafes, bars, restaurants, and old hotels. We also checked out the beach, which is what Whitstable is known for, and it's definitely what makes the town ideal for an escape from the city. Instead of sand, the beach is full of pebbles, but the waters are nice and calm and is ideal for selfies. We decided to hit up the famous Whitstable Oyster Company for dinner. The food was great and exceeded our expectations. The food was definitely fresh, delicious, top quality, and was served by friendly staff in a cozy beachfront restaurant. Definitely another 5 stars. I definitely do recommend coming to Whitstable for a day trip, and I would definitely be more than happy to come back. What a great way to end our day trip.